The term CPA marketing means cost per action marketing. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process how you can get these CPA offers on a platform like ShareASale. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Richmond and you're welcome back to Online Hustlers Academy. On this channel, I teach you how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and anything related to how to make money online, CPA marketing as well. So if you're somebody who really wants to make money online, you make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn on notification bell so that whenever I drop one amazing video, you are going to be notified. So ShareASale is a platform that most people think is just an affiliate network where it talks about per sale network, but one thing I want you guys to know is that ShareASale is also a CPA network out there that most people are not talking about. In my previous video, I told you the platform that is CPA network, but most people are not talking about that. So in this video, let me take you straight to where you can get this offer. So all you need to do is to come to this platform called ShareASale.com. I will leave the link in the description below, and you can click on that and come to this platform. And if you if you've tried so many times but you don't get approved, make sure you add a website to your account when creating it, and with that you're going to be approved instantly, guys. So after that, go to search for merchant, and right after clicking on search for merchant, make sure you hit on the subscribe button, like the video as well, and turn on notification bell so it's loading, guys. And comment down below all your questions. I'll be there to answer you guys. And guys, let's not forget, I've made up my mind to introduce what is called live streaming on my platform. That's going to be Sunday 3 p.m. and then Saturdays in the evening, which is 7 to at least 10 p.m. That's where I'll be able to answer all your questions that you need for me. But it's not out yet. I and my manager are talking. We are deciding where to start. So if you are interested in that, make sure to comment down below that if you want me to do what is called live streaming on my platform, which is going to be Saturdays and then Sundays. Yes. And if as time goes on, I can even introduce Fridays evening into that, so that you can ask me all your questions and I will be ready to answer all those questions that you ask you want. So right after hitting on market, search for merchant, hit on modify search, and let me close this. And after hitting on modify search, hit on pay per lead, which as you can see over here has been indicated CPA, which means cost per action. So hit on that and hit on go. So after hitting on that, most of these platforms are going to decline you. As you can see, with this you're going to earn up to $20 per lead over here. So you need to get somebody to sign up with your link, and you're going to make $20 instantly. $10 with this per lead, with this 0.01, $10 per lead, $5, which is equals to what Pura site is paying. Most of you are suffering to join. 8.75 per lead, $5 per lead. So a lot of programs out here that needs people to promote them, so that you are going to make passive income. So most of them are going to decline you because they might not like to accept people from your territory. So when they decline you, it's normal. But most of them are going to accept your application to join them, and with that you can make money with that. So another platform, which is Impact Radio's alternative, or another CPA platform out there, which most people are using to make money. You can see over here $7 per lead, and sometimes this is $2 per lead, $5, $9, 9 point, which is okay, closer to $10. So guys, you can go out there, sign up for ShareASale, and right after that you can begin to promote all this. So this one is paying you $25 per lead. So all you need to do is to hit on join now and right click on this place. You can type something small for them and hit on join this program, and as you can see, it says pending. Means when the administrator decides to approve you, it's going to approve you that you can promote their product for them. Yes, this one is paying $3, $15. So it moved from 1 to 50 to 301 to 346. That means there are a lot of per lead jobs over here. So let me show you, quickly go back to this place and show you my favorite, because most people will say that I'm not promoting anything. So you can go back to my favorite. You can create favorite by hitting on this star icon over here, and it's going to add to your favorite, and you're going to leave it, give it a name. You can see, you can click on create new and create a new favorite. Okay, so I've hit on my favorite list, and I'm going to show you the offers that I've set as my favorite. Yes, so you can see over here, unique rewards, which is paying you $2 per lead, and I can begin to promote this offer right after everything. So you can see CFIB is paying me $15. You can see my links where it says get links, that means I've joined those programs, and you can see $20, $6, $3, $2, $2, $3. This one is paying you from $1 to $5 over here, $1 per lead, $1 per lead, $30, which is ShareASale itself per lead. But there are certain terms and conditions before you can get this thing over there, this money. The person must earn up at least $20 for the past 48 months, which is 2 years, before you can make this amount of money. $5 per lead, $5 per lead, $5 per lead, $10 per lead. So I have about 30 something, 32 approved product. If I want to promote right now, I can go ahead and promote. And their payment method is very simple. You can hit on payment and hit on payment settings, and after hitting on payment settings, and it's going to take you straight and to your where you are going to insert your payment details. So if you are happy about what I'm showing you right now, all you need to do is to go ahead, hit on the subscribe button, like the video, and you're going turn on notification bell, so that whenever I drop amazing video, YouTube will send you a notification. And make sure to drop down your comments in the comment section. I'll be there to answer you. So the payment methods of Impact Radius, I can hit on change payment settings, and as you can see, this is the payment. You have deposit, which is direct deposit, fast and easier way to get your funds each month. You feel, but it comes with different things altogether. Mail check, which you want. If you live in the developed countries like US, they are going to send you an email of your check, and all you need to do is to print this thing out and go to bank and withdraw your money, which they are going to charge you a certain fee. And as you can see over here, if you want to do wire deposit, like if you are in Ghana and want to receive your money through your bank account, they're going to charge you $29, and with Payoneer is free. So all you need to do is to watch my video how to create a Payoneer account, and you're going to make they are going to help you withdraw your money with Payoneer. Yes, so guys, this is basically this new CPA marketing account, our marketing platform out there that most people are not talking about. You can come here, make money on a go with just a single day I just did self-clicking, and this is my method. So most of you who have watched my previous video, you can see that I've not been updating my account simply because I have a lot of things doing with different CPA and different account if I doing affiliate marketing, because I said it earlier on that I no longer do CPA marketing anymore. What I do is I do affiliate marketing. So yes, so as you can see, this is my Blogspot account that I use to connect to my account so that I'll get approved on this platform. And you can see over here, this is my name on the account and my balance is over here. So it's not like this is my name over here. My name is for Richmond. Yes, so it's not like I've fabricated anything to you guys. So that is it. And after everything, you are going to withdraw your money straight into your bank account or any payment method right here. If your money reaches the money minimum of $50, they are going to trigger your money. Or if you can select any of the payments over here. If you want 1,000, 750, 500, 400 down to $50, when it reaches or it hits any of this threshold that you've selected, that means they are going to send you your money straight into your bank account. So guys, this is how everything works. This is my channel. My name is Richmond, and once again, welcome back to Online Hustlers Academy. So if you're somebody who wants to work money online, I'll end here, and don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I draw one amazing video, YouTube will send you a notification. Until I see my next video, don't forget that I do love you guys. Bye bye for now, and see you in my next video. Peace out, guys.